New cases were confirmed today. It's the largest single-day count since June. As Kimberly Speakman explains, if cases continue to rise, there could be restrictions heading into the holidays.
5 cases doesn't sound like a lot, but for a tight-knit community like Kauai, it is. And it's not just the numbers that's making officials worried. At least one of the cases was not travel-related.
So that tells us that we are entering into a phase of community transmission, which we have not been in for many months. Again, June, July is when we last saw that here. So that's concerning.
Dr. Janet Berryman says she's worried with gathering season coming up and many people flying back and forth to visit family. Things could get worse.
The combination of seeing increasing cases here and having freer travel back and forth between the mainland and here at a time when the disease is taking off so much in the mainland is frankly the biggest threat I think that our island here on Kauai has faced since the beginning of this pandemic.
Kauai Mayor Derek Kawakami has already signaled that the island may have to scale back if cases continue to go up. Like Oahu, Kauai has its own tier system, but the numbers are in reverse. Right now, Kauai is at Tier 4, which is the least restrictive. If the case count continues to rise, it moves to Tier 3, which would cut down on social gatherings from 25 to just 10 people. Team sports would also be suspended. To avoid this, Dr. Berryman is asking people to continue to take precaution.
It would be a shame to lose all of that between now and a short number of months from now when we have a vaccine because we're tired of keeping our guard up through the holidays. So I think that I would really encourage people to kind of reinvigorate their sense of we've done a good job and we can continue to do this for a while longer.
Kimberly Speakman, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.
Starting today, the